How to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone after iOS 16.5. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Open settings on your device first. Scroll down and look for the Face ID and passcode option. Enter your passcode now and under Use Face ID for option, make sure to toggle on all the options available there. Tap on Other Apps and toggle on the button for all the apps available there too. Go back and now tap on Set up an alternate appearance and then tap on Get Started. If it is still not fixed, reset your Face ID by clicking on Reset Face ID option and then set up your Face ID again. Now go back and tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. If you are still facing the same problem, restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a minute or two and restart your device again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.